2016 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.